Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Analyzing findings is an important step in the research process as it allows researchers to draw conclusions and make informed decisions based on the collected data. This process involves a thorough examination of the collected data, identifying patterns and trends, and making sense of the results in the context of the research question. There are several approaches to analyzing findings, and the most appropriate method will depend on the research question, the type of data collected, and the research design. Some common methods include 1. Descriptive analysis. This involves describing the characteristics of the data, such as the mean, median, and mode. This type of analysis is useful for understanding the basic properties of the data and for identifying outliers or unusual observations. 2. Inferential analysis. This involves making inferences about the population based on a sample of data. This type of analysis allows researchers to generalize their findings to a larger group and make predictions about the population. 3. Correlational analysis. This involves examining the relationship between two or more variables. This type of analysis allows researchers to identify patterns and trends in the data and to determine whether there is a statistical relationship between the variables. 4. Experimental analysis. This involves manipulating one or more variables and observing the effects on another variable. This type of analysis allows researchers to establish cause and effect relationships between variables. Regardless of the approach used, researchers need to be thorough and objective in their analysis of findings. This means carefully reviewing the data, looking for patterns and trends, and considering alternative explanations for the results. Researchers should also be transparent about their methods and any limitations of the study, and they should present their findings clearly and concisely. In addition to traditional statistical methods, researchers may also use qualitative data analysis techniques to analyze findings. This may involve coding the data to identify themes or patterns, and using a variety of methods to analyze and interpret the data, such as discourse analysis, content analysis, or narrative analysis. Overall, the process of analyzing findings is crucial for understanding the results of a research study and for making informed decisions based on the data. By carefully examining the data and using appropriate methods of analysis, researchers can draw meaningful conclusions and contribute to the knowledge base in their field. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.